Welcome back to the turkey tour. We're in Wisconsin. I've got Jerome. We just saw some elk, which is weird. You wouldn't think of Wisconsin as having elk, but we clearly do. We've got a little piece of public land we're going to hunt. It does not look very good on the map, but when you get there in person, it looks pretty good. So I'm hoping we find some turkeys. We're going to wake up early in the morning in the dark, and we're going to walk to the tallest hill here, see if we get anything to gobble. We got about 2 days to hunt. Let's get after it. Temperature should be about 40 degrees in the morning and 70 in the daytime, which is pretty good turkey hunting. Got some owls out here ripping some calls. That's pretty cool. You hear that? That gets a gobble pretty soon. Nice. Awesome scenery. No gobbles. Found some pine trees that are blocking the wind, and there's a tom right here. We're really close. We gotta sit down right now. Come on, let's go find a spot. Come on. Stay low. I just saw him fly down from the tree. They're roosting right there. Exciting for our first morning. We were way up on this ridge, and it was too windy. It was supposed to be 4-mile-an-hour wind, and it was like 10. We couldn't hear anything. So we came down in this valley and started walking in the valleys. And then eventually we heard a gobble, and we were on a tom, and he had a bunch of hens. He was drumming and gobbling pretty nice. But he worked the other direction, and there's a field over there. I think he's working towards that. We can get right up to the edge, though, and we can kind of go around. And there's some scratching in this area in the leaves, so they're probably coming back here in the daytime too, so this is just generally a good situation. The sun is looking pretty weird. Weird color. Turkeys are right over here. Going this way. Let's go chase them. Find a lot of those, don't we? Those turkey eggs. Sure find a lot of dead turkey eggs. Gosh, dude. Sees us. Look at those big feet. Dude, that's wild, man. Buddy. Good thing you saw it. He would have come right over to us if I would have kept sleeping. Well, we're definitely looking over our shoulders now. I was taking a nap. It's 2 in the afternoon. We've been up since 4. Jerome taps on me and goes, "Bear." And I didn't really believe him. I thought he was just messing around. And then right next to us, like, I don't know, 70 yards, big old giant black bear standing up looking at us. turned on the camera and the settings were all messed up. So I had to mess with the settings. Something got pushed. So I pulled out my phone and filmed with that. And got some good footage. It was pretty wild. He started circling around on us, and I figured, let's get up and go. But we're checking over our shoulders now. I think he's going to be pretty afraid of humans. Thankfully, people hunt them around here. Good morning. Heading out in the dark this morning after the birds we roosted yesterday. Hopefully we get on them. We actually went out last night, made sure they're still there, and they were. Let's go see what happens. Good. You're on your cushion there. Okay, I gotta set the GoPro in. Hopefully it's not too fogged up. Okay, we finally got one to gobble. Rained like crazy. Let's see. This here. Put this in. He's right there, buddy. Film him. Lift the camera up. Prop the camera up higher. You don't see him with my gun. He's right there. Find him with your eyes. Film him. Big sucker. He's coming right to us. Get that gobble on film. Hold still. God, hold still. On the left of him. This one, I got the one right in front of him. Oh, look at him running, look at him running. Are you on him? Are you on him? Look at him. Alright, you stay here, put some rounds, look at the mushrooms. Look at this. Look, after I shot it, those mushrooms. See these?
That's huge.
Those are called morels, buddy. Look at the size of that turkey. Holy cow. That's a big one. Give me 5, buddy. For the camera. Squat down a little. There you go. Alright. So huge. That's so cool.
I'm glad we got this one, not the other one.
Yeah, the other one was almost a Jake, yeah. Alright, dude. First of all, high five, buddy. That was a hard hunt. We've been out here. This is the last day for us. Otherwise, we'd have to come back. Here, you hold the legs up, would you? Hold one of the legs, that one. Here. There we go. There we go, huh? Finally. So last night it started pouring rain. We went out to eat. We came back to the woods and the rain was supposed to stop for like 2 hours and we were gonna roost a bird. Well, then it started raining again and we didn't end up roosting anything. So we kind of went to a completely new spot. We have not been in this area. Slept in the car, all the humidity and moisture from our wet clothes just completely fogged up everything. Windows were just completely wet. Came out here, didn't hear any gobbles initially, started working some ridge tops. The wind started picking up and finally we heard a gobble. Crept up on the field, ripped a few calls and they came right in. In fact, the tom got aggressive and started chasing off the younger one. He was like 60 yards away and I shot him. I could have waited a little longer, but you know, I figured he was right in the camera. The hardest part is Jerome only had a very small window and all the brambles we were sitting in. Yep. So I thought I'd take the shot while we got him on camera. Beauty, beauty, very heavy bird. Wisconsin was a pressured state. It was hard. They allow people to just keep buying surplus tags, so people shoot a lot of birds. So there wasn't that many toms, but we found a few. It wasn't too bad. There's a ton of toms on private land. If you want some private land hunting, Wisconsin's where it's at. Beautiful countryside too. Good job, Jerome. Hard work, buddy. You put in some hard work. Wow. Very good job. Dude, double on the same day. All right, well, we gotta get out of the woods. Yep, bye.